Hey everybody, welcome back to Green Country Baits. Today we've got a paint session for you. We're going to be recreating the Bandit Spring Crawl, a super popular pattern. It's a great springtime pattern. This is a pattern we had shot back when I first created the channel. Camera angle wasn't very good, and so we're going to be redoing some of those periodically when we have time to recreate those. So by customer request and on a rock crawler and a old pre-wrapped short wart, we're going to be spraying some paint. Come check it out. So here we have the Bandit Spring Crawl. We're going to go match that. We're going to start off with just a yellow, Audubon yellow. Not real worried about the top. So we're going to be adding some different colors onto that. Add a little more yellow in here, and this is a fairly simple pattern. It does have a little bit of scaling in it, and 2 or 3 different colors, but this is an old Storm pre-wrap short fat wart. Get a good bright yellow base on that. We'll heat set that in just a few minutes. Sometimes I'll use a little bit darker and add a little bit of this canary yellow before we heat set into this bait, just to kind of darkens that up. Adds just a hint of orange to it. This compressor just keeps kicking in. But it is important to have the first base coat down of just a any kind of transparent yellow. What is this? Audubon yellows on that, and then, like I said, we're doing a little canary yellow just over the top of that. And I'm down 1 airbrush. I'm used to having 4, so I'm just going to kind of operate out of this one for a little bit. So I'm doing a color change right now as we speak. But this is I don't know. I would think across most of the country that this is a very popular color in the spring, being the name I'm assuming Bandit gave it of Spring Crawl. I know I have done exceptionally well with it. Smallmouth in my home lake really like that that color. So, and we're going to go real light. I'm going to turn my pressure down. This is just kind of down the shoulders, right behind the eye. this one I'm going to tip the bill a little bit. Do a quick heat set. A little bit more of this fluorescent. And you really don't have to do the back, but we're going to be coming over the top of that with a light brown. We're going to scale those shoulders in just slightly. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I've done a deep clean on all of my airbrushes, and I don't see a split in the nozzle of one of those, but I've got bubbles coming up in it, and I've been dealing with airbrushes for 15 years, and I've never had one I couldn't fix. So, ordered a couple of replacement nozzles. Hopefully those will come in this week to where I can get back to my productions. And but I like loading them up. I can get through these videos a little bit quicker by having some of that stuff prepared. Next up, we've just got a... Hell, I hope that didn't mess up. Well, I know it messed up. We lost our feed briefly, so we're going to come back and use our hoop, and we're just going to throw in a few scales, light scales. And we'll just darken the back up a little more. Sometimes we can switch to and may need to a dark brown. Now, instead of using Bandits, I don't know, whatever those black lines are, we're going to put our Craw markings on it. So we're going to load up a little black. And we'll throw in a few lines. Okay, I think we're good. So we're just lining up right here at the corner of the bill. We'll do a little more of a fade by just pulling back the brush a little bit. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. Just line it up right there with the corner. I just hold that a little bit, just make it slightly smaller as we work down. A little more shady on this side. A little heavier on the other side, so we'll make it match. So the next thing we've got is we got to make some red eyes with the black pupil, and we also have the throat to do, which is just a vermilion orange or vermilion red, whatever you want to call it. All right, for our eyes, we need to go down a size. Or two. We'll call that one good. Go ahead and hit these eyes. So for our belly color, vermilion, I have used a fluorescent orange there as well, but on the Bandit, it's a little more red than just going to dress that up around that hook hanger. Looks good. Take a little bit of our black, put it in our cup, use a small nail, and we'll dot our eyes. And that's the Bandit Spring Craw. Guys, let me know what you think. Bandit Spring Craw It's reproduction. I didn't go as small on the scales here. Top could be maybe just a little bit darker, huh? And throat colors are very similar. So anyway, this is Green Country Baits Bandit Spring Crawl. Guys, stick around at the end. If you like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up. We're also going to have some pictures of this clear coated, which will bring out a little more of these colors, especially that fluorescent orange is hidden in the background that the camera is probably not picking up. So anyway, thank you for spending some time watching the videos. See you next week.